before.
Let me get you up close.
Yeah, don't worry. Hey,
Look,
hey.
he's coming again.
You really like our garden.
Why don't they only go on to that one? Why don't they go on the other one? And Puppy,
Hmm?
can you try getting another one?
Sure.
Like a different bird feeder?
Of course.